Staxks squad. What's up with y'all, man? How y'all doing, man? Hey, you already know it's Staxks in this bitch. Back with another motherfucking banger, nigga. How y'all doing? Y'all doing good? I'm doing good. You already know how we be. But like I ain't talked to y'all in a minute because there's been so much shit going on, so much bullshit. But you know, I couldn't forget about y'all. But I do want to apologize for not being as consistent as I should. I'm gonna definitely get back on the hustle today. We got some shit that we is going through. So, as you know, the Camaro has given me some problems over the year. And today, it's no different. So, we about to go over there right now. As y'all can see, I got this tire sitting here. This tire was a brand new tire that St. Louis boys spiked me, man. Hoe ass niggas. They spiked my ass 2 brand new tires. As y'all can see, the Camaro is over here. I don't think I've showed y'all. I got the one at league wing on here now. Just sitting back there. But today's video, yeah, I see it. The exhaust is on the floor. The mid pipe fell off. And yeah, bro. As y'all can see, the hangers in this car have already broke too. So, and then I think there's an exhaust leak right there where that hanger is. Y'all see that? Yeah. So honestly, I tried to put this shit back in, but I don't think that shit about to work. So we're gonna try to move it up a little bit and see what that do. But this shit, it bear with me, it sounds like a damn truck right now, bro. Like this shit sounds. That shit did not sound normal. But honestly, I mean, I got AAA. I might just call AAA. Just tow this to the damn exhaust shop. I think I might be able to get it's both sides. Like last week, it was only one side and we could like get it back in, but this side like it's both sides. So I don't think we're gonna be able to like get this shit back in for real. So yeah, I think we're gonna just take this shit on a tow to the exhaust shop and do that. We're gonna have to get this shit straight piped now. That MBRP axle back crap is gonna have to get off. And you already know, but I don't know how much it's gonna cost. I hope they don't try to tax me or nothing like that because nobody want to deal with that. You feel me? But you already know how these motherfuckers be. So shit, we gonna pick the camera back up whenever the tow truck get here, or if I decide to try to do this shit. But we gonna see. So we just loaded that shit up, man. My diffuser cable off, my damn exhaust fell off. Like this. I'm on shit. Well, I'm cooked for real, bro. I'm cooked. See that shit. Well, I'm cooked for real. But hey, we about to go to the muffler shop. Hopefully they can just put this shit all back on. And
now we gotta figure out what
now
exhaust.
Yeah.
Then we gotta pull it off first.
So we just got to the exhaust shop, as y'all can see. I'm naked down here. Straight header dump, no diffuser. That shit fell off too. But I don't got none. As y'all can see, this is the whole exhaust system. This is the O2 sensor, so I hope this ain't fucked up. I hope this is cool, but I ain't gonna hold you, I think it's fucked up. I think that bitch is fucked up for real. So we're probably gonna have to do something with that so we can get that fixed, because you know, without the sensors, the shit acts stupid. You really can't do much for real without those sensors. As y'all can see, tips in there. tips in there, so I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. He said 200 without cutting the axle back off and putting the stuff on. 360 with cutting the shit off, putting the shit on. So you feel me? I don't know. We can save like damn near 260 for real. But shit, we gonna see. I don't know yet. Just need to get this car back on the road, boy. I've been having to stop every like 10 minutes trying to fix this damn exhaust and shit for the past like 3 weeks. So you feel me? Having a car that's running smooth, don't gotta fuck with shit. Boy, I need that for real. So we about to listen to the truck. Hell no. That's all safe. We just in here finally doing what the fuck we doing. Y'all see how this shit look? I'm funny my diffuser fell off though, bro. That shit got me kind of sick. I hate that shit, bro. Always some shit. This shit dirty though. You need to wash bad. Yeah, and that shit, that's the downstream sensor. The upstream over here. The upstream are only the ones that matter for real. I don't even care about the other ones. The other ones, they shitty. Care about them. But yeah, that shit gonna get back to normal. We're gonna be driving, not sounding like a truck. That's all that matters. We get out of here, give y'all a little PLG test drive, see how shit be. So you feel me? We just left them the exhaust shop. This shit's back to sounding, you feel me, normal. Not sounding like a damn truck and shit. But I do want me a new exhaust setup though. That's a thing. Like this shit is like, it's loud, but it's like it ain't as loud as I want it to be. You feel me? I just want this shit to be a tad bit louder. Like the idle of this car is like not loud at all. You feel me? And like obviously the only thing else I can really think of is like getting like a straight pipe, because obviously like the MBRP has like a little muffler in the motherfucking back, but I don't think that muffler like gonna make like some big ass difference, you know. So I don't know, because I already got headers, I already got all that. Next thing that I would be able to get is like a cam. But it's like, boy, who got money to be spending on a cam? You feel me? We broke around here for real. You don't got some bread. Shit, I wish I did. You feel me? But yeah, we gonna be back to the crib here. You feel me? Like a second or two. But we are about to go to the gym. I ain't gonna, you feel me, record that for y'all, cause man, I'm trying to hear all that. But after the gym, we will be going to an undisclosed location, so we can, you know, slide a little bit. It's a tad bit, not too crazy, you know. You feel me? We trying to get bendy or something, you know. But yeah, as y'all know, PA is coming up. The Pennsylvania legal pit is coming up. So even though it did get like postponed or location got changed, we gonna go somewhere else, you feel me? And you feel me, do what the fuck we gotta do. So we gonna go in there and get a little bit of practice in. I still got these tips here. I guess ended up never using them because bro said he could fix the exhaust. So we have put up to the little spot, you feel me, to try to come just get like some more practice slides in, and like there's people over here. So I don't know what the fuck we about to do. There's this little roundabout area right here. I mean, we could do that for a little, like a couple of seconds for real. But that's about it. That shit kind of lame. I'm not going to the one across the city too. That's doing too much. This shit was right by the gym. Yeah, this was like super easy for me. But shit, I ain't slid in like shit a week or two. Last time I slid, my exhaust all came off type shit. So, I'll try to do that motherfucker. That motherfucker was not going, bro. Okay. Hey, but I don't know. Am I gonna be able to really? I don't know. I ain't gonna be able to really motherfucking record this shit while I'm motherfucking. You feel me? So shit, I don't know. That was a little sub. That wasn't really much for real, but hey, I need to do something. I was about to be out here doing nothing. I was over here one hand trying to push that motherfucker. I like shit. That motherfucker was not trying to go. Hey, but we got that. We made that bitch go though. We gonna go to an actual lot though, like record that shit for y'all, like on some proper shit. Because I wasn't really proper for real. It was just a little son, a little baby. No cap. But yeah, shit. I don't know what we about to do next. But shit, whatever we do, I'm about to put this camera back up, and then we gonna get down with it. You feel me?
Throwing coins pops
Oh.
to do the
If I had
drop.
money, I wouldn't be working.
Forehead, nigga.
Fuck you.
Hey, goofy. Look at yeah, look at that.
Camaro shit only, you know.
Nike model.
Nike model.
Yeah.
Real shit, like,
Yeah.
I'm trying to get that sponsor, buy me that motherfucking accessory.
Look at this nigga.
Hold on, what he say? He said,
It's a fucking
Hey, you lit. He lit as fuck. He not done yet. Hey, my boy lit. That's all I can see. He got the motherfucking cars out. I see the cat.
Hey, we pulling up in the fleet to his.
I don't know what the fuck we about to get into tonight, but we gotta do something. But shit. You said what?
I said, let's go, sexy. We all sexy.
He is what you guys say?
Hey, make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff.
Yeah, you heard what the rich man said. Y'all heard the rich man said. Go subscribe, do all that.